I really like the initiative that volunteered to do this, so I'm all ears. Yeah, good luck. The floor is yours. Excellent. This is what I like, guys. Always standing out, presenting ideas. Perfect. Really perfect. So, apologies to the family busy side. Must be sell low, buy high. Gone. Mm-hmm. So, okay, let's have a look on the RSI. So many indicators, guys. You keep... Oh my god. Is this... No, not Stitch. Stock. Ah la la.
Yeah, and it's coming towards the overbought area. So does this look like a potential rebound level? It might just go down by $30-50, but then we really can see a rebound that we've been waiting for some time.
So, is this correct, the stochastic RSI you wanted me to put on the chart?
Yes, it is, but surprisingly, it is on the... And is this monthly? No, it's 30
No.
minutes.
Oh, okay, so it's also... Yeah, but the problem with these RSIs and, you know, the momentum indicators is where is the bottom, where is the top, how low it is, how high it is, and, you know, one bad decision is enough to have a bad trade. Yes, it's a good indicator, but there is always lower.
It's purely technical.
Yeah, and, you know, it's lagging, and especially with this high volatility, it could give a good indication that, okay, now it's massaging the extreme 20% low level. But if you go to lower time frame,
but on the higher time frames, Thomas, you can't see an $60 move.
yeah, exactly, because it's just so big. But now we had 100 pips move already twice. We have 100 pips move, which you can't see on the higher time frame. That's my issue. It could be that, you know, it will spike down and move up easily.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. So I think the monthlies, maybe it's a little bit too long shot, but definitely keep an eye on it.
Oh.
And now we have 26 minutes. So now we're just going to wait.
On the other side, on the 1 hour, it's massaging the pivot and the 14 moving average, smooth moving average. So that can indicate we go down more.
Michael is doing a stream, or is it just a video?
No, he does sometimes a stream. I'm not.
Yeah.
Do all respect, but not a member anymore.
Yeah, I haven't spoken to him for ages. Alright. Exciting times. Let's have a look. Everything is ready? Where is my MetaTrader? What positions do you guys have open?
I'm still filled. That's 0.25% of my account. Very small low.
Yeah, it's decent, reasonable, I have to say. So, I have US 30 still open. And a small gold sell since yesterday. But, fuck knows what's going to happen with gold. Hello, Usman. Are you playing Tetris? No, he's in the casino.
Green or red?
Green or red? Place your bets, ladies and gentlemen. Jesus. Usman, where are you?
The house is winning.
Someone is going crazy.
Usman, easy with the lot sizes, mate. That's, you know, gambling is addictive. Now you're taking a piss, Usman. So. Okay. And the gold position, does anyone have any running gold positions since yesterday?
No, yesterday I closed everything. I opened another one at the pivot point.
We too, yesterday, right, Thomas?
Yeah, that was a tough.
Was a nice trade.
Nice, but tough.
Yeah.
It was really, really tough.
But what went it down? About 80, 90 pips.
Yeah, it did. It did. So the question is, okay, I'm not too confident in today's NFP. I'm still expecting gold downward continuation, but as discussed, we have that massive gap which needs to be filled. That left after the massive sell-off on the markets Monday and Tuesday. So I'm talking about this area right here. It's freaking huge. On US 30, I see more upwards continuation for now, but you know, anything is possible. There is no direct relation between NFP and gold. And we don't know what the number is going to be today and how the market is going to react to NFP, to unemployment, to labor market participation, to the death of Shinzo Abe. All right, I think we're pretty much ready, and not. So on US 30, I'm going to reduce the position 50% before NFP. Even more. I'm going to leave only one lot. Yeah, that should be enough. And gold. Problem is that we are really close to the ceiling of the consolidation.
Oh, can we welcome George? I think he's quite new. He's from Switzerland.
Hello, George. Where is George? Who's George?
I think he might be. He said he's a little shy in talking, but.
Is Hoshinator? Hi guys, I'm shy.
That's it. That's it.
Hoshinator. It sounds like the Sherminator.
He seems a nice guy anyway, but hey ho.
Is his name George?
George. It might. I mean, he's Swiss, so it might be Georg. I don't know.
Oh yeah, Gigi.
Because I know if it's more Germanic, it's more a hard G, so I may get it wrong.
Genie, George, hard. George is hard. Welcome, George. You know you can speak. You can turn on your mic and speak to us.
Yeah, it's better.
Nah, don't be shy. Come on.
Come on.
Come on. I get Sophie to to warm you up a little bit.
Obi.
Obi. Yeah.
What's his name? You remember?
Oh, fuck.
Yeah.
What's his name? Hoshi, where are you? Talk to us. Shame.
What's happening with
Come on.
Just broke my stop loss.
Yeah, it's the range I talked about. It's killer, $30 range. Just dirty, and it's going to cause some issues. So we have this top 1747, 1750, and we have the bottom, previous daily open, previous daily high. And guess what? Gold loves to range. So I can imagine for NFP that it goes up, closes all the sellers out, and then melts. Because today we already had one dirty fake out. And I just came live on YouTube. We have 260 people watching, but only 71. So guys, this stream is ending now. Right now. That's ridiculous. We have only 71 likes. I wish you everyone happy trading on YouTube.
I'm gonna smash that like button by myself.
Yeah, you guys got 2 minutes to push it up to 200, otherwise c'est la vie. $73 likes. Pff. That's the dedication, boys. All right. 15 minutes, ladies and gentlemen. 15 minutes.
Tomas, can you explain the weaknesses of the pound against all the currencies, please? Or it's because Johnson? I'm trying to understand why yesterday the pound started to be a strong a coin. I don't know how to say it correctly in English, sorry, so I'm going to say coin.
That's okay.
And against the yen or the euro or other pairs. And today everything just flipped the other side.
Okay, just 1 second. Let me.
Only the pound yen come back to yesterday after he took me out. Now stop loss.
Pound yen. So, sterling is a bit of a wild ride now, but generally the UK economy isn't doing too well. We know that Brexit happened, they're struggling to find people who are filling up the gas stations, driving the lorries, and, you know, all of that. And wow, now it's really pushing up, GJ.
Yeah, and I have only in demo, and I'm doing like maybe 500K. In the demo, I got all in, so I'm like triple my account now. It's huge, but on real life, I stopped out and 162 and 0.2 touched my stop loss.
Is he eating on?
I'm better on demo.
Yeah, the pound is a bit difficult, especially pound yen is difficult to trade now, obviously because we had Shinzo Abe just passed away today. Yesterday Boris Johnson resigned. Every single day a new Labour's union is threatening the UK with strike, like TfL, Post Office, you know, all the major services. So it's a bit difficult to... I think GBP pairs are heavily news driven recently rather than fundamentals, but on days when we have, for example, CPI data printing or interest rate hike, then of course the data takes over and dominates the market. So in between, it's news driven, in my opinion, heavily news driven.
As always, thank you, Thomas.
You're welcome. And we have 12 minutes until the data release, and we have only 149 likes on YouTube, so I have to say goodbye. Or not? Maybe. Let's see if we can push it up to 200. 345 people, 350 people watching. Tough, what you eating?
Crisps.
What kind? What flavor?
Knickknacks.
Knickknacks? What is it?
That flavor?
Rib and saucy.
Oh, from the UK?
Yeah.
What's up, fam? My blood.
Are you doing alright?
You alright, cuz? Okay, so, quickly, let's go back to this Mother Tucker Gold. I think it's time to say goodbye to the sells. So I'm going to close down. That's our position. It's tiny profit considering that how much profit it was. But now the push up is really taking the piss. Let's see, what else do we have? In terms of the US 30. What do you think about US 30? Buy or sell?
It sounds tricky to get on US 30 right now.
Yeah, if you have a look on the...
What time Lagarde is talking?
I think she's supposed to finish by now. If you have a look on the chart, you know, everything is ranging now. US 30 did push up, but now it starts ranging and waiting for NFP. Gold is pushing up to the top of the range, but you know, it's back to that gray zone, no man's land, which can go either direction. Not ideal. Absolutely not ideal.
You're right.
So, still 180 likes on YouTube. That's really disappointing. Right. I am going to lock down the US 30 position as well. Who's leaving runners?
I just had one loss, but that was 0.25% of my account.
You see, that's what I'm talking about. Gold is being a bitch. If it comes back to the top again, I'm going to sell it. I see further downward movement, definitely. And on US 30, it's a bit trickier. Look at that massive rejection on gold.
What the fudge? I'm so pissed.
You get closed out?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good for us. And the daily pivot. So I'm going to enter with one mini lot, one standard lot on gold, but I'm going to use a supervised stop loss at around 1750. So you don't have to always use big lots and use tight stop loss, because it's not the time now to use tight stop loss, especially not on NFP. So if it comes higher, I think it's a good entry. But this is only speculation. You know that there's no relationship between NFP and gold, but because there are other things moving the gold market, I see further downward movement, especially if you look at the previous price action for the past months. So that is the position I opened. Oh, I haven't closed on US 30. Fuck. Yeah, now it's done. Again, it could go higher, it could hit stop loss. It's risky today, so only enter with money that you're not afraid to lose. Alright?
Right. What would be your take profit?
1680.
Sounds very ambitious.
No, absolutely not.
What not?
Ambitions.
No, it's possible.
Realistic, is it?
Yeah. I love when Sherpa comes to the group, Dawa Sherpa, the Sherpa, and you know, he calls the most extreme numbers. I love him. How can I fix this freaking MetaTrader window? Oh, JB says it's going down, so I'm confident it's going to go down if he says it. I really like, JB, your analysis on NFP today. Well done. Excellent work, the summary. And I see Alexandre raised your hand. What's up?
Yeah, hey, Thomas.
Hey.
Just a quick question about the US 30 and US 100. What do you think about the bullish pattern forming on daily charts, like W? We are working, I think, the neckline of the W.
Yeah, valid.
So maybe due to the end of the week, we can have an impulse move, bull, or depending on the metrics, it can go down as well. Let's see.
Right. So I usually build up my strategy starting from the macroeconomics and fundamentals. Technically speaking, yes, it's absolutely valid, and I do agree. However, what is coming up this month on US stock markets?
Good question.
Usually every quarter there is something called...
So it should be second quarter results.
Dividends. Yes, Alan. Earnings season. So I think this month, around the end of the month, is going to be heavily driven by earnings and also the earnings calls, which investors can dial in. Some of the biggest companies giving their forecast, their analysis and their outlook on US economy, supply and demand, what do they have to say? If they say anything negative, or if the blue chip or blue tech stocks like Facebook, Google, and all of these heavy whales starts dropping, there's no hiding. They move the market. It's like when a fat person jumps into the pool, a lot of water moves. Same as with stock market. One of these big fuckers does something, everyone else suffers.
Yeah, thanks.
You're welcome. When we get closer to the time, then yes, hopefully we can see better. So many things affecting the stock market now. I want to see how is it going to react, because the problem is that inflation is obviously bad for stock market, but monetary policy is also bad, the higher interest rate. But the problem is that there is fundamentals and technicals, and also there is a factor which is called Jay Powell and the Fed. And every single time Jay Powell comes out and speaks, he starts the sentence and the speech with like, US economy is experiencing 4-decade high inflation. Boom, markets are crashing. Then it goes on, the Federal Reserve of the United States is going to increase interest rate and do whatever they can to stop inflation. Boom, markets crashing. And then at the very end, when you think okay, I can move my stop loss into break even, and then he says, but I strongly believe that the US economy, especially the stock market, can survive another interest rate hike. And then boom, it's going up. So it's not easy to trade, is it? And we have 2 minutes for data release. 1 minute, sorry.
1 minute, 2 seconds.
Thank you, Butchis. Trading View or MetaTrader?
MetaTrader is better.
Alright. Shall I divide it? Yeah, I'm going to divide it for gold and US 30.
Oh, you got on US 30?
Pardon?
Oh, you got on US 30 also?
No, but I want to see how it's reacting.
Mm-hmm.
And let's see, where's the economic calendar? How many minutes we have?
1.
45 seconds to launch. Do you have your credit cards ready?
Fingers ready.
Who's fingering what? Sophie, come on.
No, I meant fingers ready.
It's always ready. Oh, Alvin just passed phase 2 My Forex Fund Challenge. We have another funder trader, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome. Congratulations, mate. And we have... How many minutes? Oh. Whoa! Gold is down. Fuck.
Holy.
Fuck.
Gold is helemaal naar beneden.
What the fish? I don't even see the number. It hasn't even came out on economic calendar. Wow. Volatility is big, guys.
It just went up to 44 and shot 100 pips down.
But it doesn't reacting on my MetaTrader yet, so be careful, guys. US 30. What the fuck? What's the number? My economic calendar didn't refresh. Wow. 381. Participation rate didn't change. Unemployment rate 3.6. So it's only an upward surprise. Private non-farm payroll. 372,000. That is a big positive surprise. Okay. What positions do you guys have?
I was selling gold on a very small position and I just got out, you know. I'm happy with the profit I made. No, it was a shorting.
Good.
I got stopped out at 45. Fucking shit, this gold.
No.
What the fuck?
Gonna wait for it to calm down.
Finish him.
Oh my god. How old are you guys?
Come on, guys, stop it. It's ridiculous.
We have girls and women in the group. You can do that.
Where are they?
Trying to eat.
Okay.
You can get sued for me too.
That boom just stopped me. Lost 600. Hoshinator. Wow. I think I said something about volatility at the beginning of the stream, haven't I?
Yes. But that quick, normally it takes in the 5-10 minutes.
Or even 30 minutes.
Yeah.
But let me show you something, guys. I'm gonna jump back onto TradingView for a second. So yes, we are in profit of well, it was this quick 100, but it's still running. The problem is that, you know, it still didn't break that previous low, so it just stopped out, which could be the buyers. We had, which could be a fake out, and
yeah,
it's back again to where it was before. So it's a shitstorm again, so don't trust gold. If you can, lock in profits. Now US 30, again, it didn't break the previous market structure. It didn't break that strong support level. It didn't break the daily pivot. And we still have the US to open. So the question is, how is it going to affect the market? If you made some profit, did you make some profit now on any of the pairs? Gold?
Very late.
No.
I had a quick short on EU, which made it. I just stopped. I just closed it when it made a couple hundred profit. So happy.
Yeah, EU is dropping as well. Yeah, so it looks like the market is dropping, but I don't trust the market. So if you can, lock in some profits. Now I'm going to leave this one standard lot because I think gold is going to go down. But if you managing your own money, I cannot advise what to do, but you know, I would any profit, I would lock it in. Shabazz Sayed is asking, he's really okay. Tamash answered my question that he asked like 20 times. My question: can see 1 hour supply zone at 1763 to 1771. Can you tell right or wrong? Gold is oversold also, but news side, my expectation USD was strong. Gold will look like sell side. So the long answer, so the short answer is yes. The long answer is yes, I do agree.
I like to look at EU during this time because that reacts so quickly to dollar. But you have to be quick in and out.
Right. So I'm closing down this. Should I close it down? That freaking massive wick was just. So huge. 100 pips wick. Let me switch back to TradingView. That freaking wick, and now it's back again to that gray area, this zone. So let's see.
Maybe gold keep the liquidity downside.
What did you say? Sorry.
Maybe the gold keep the liquidity downside.
What does it mean?
With the wick.
Right.
So it's gonna drop, or sorry?
And the main liquidity is much lower than that.
Actually, I don't know. It's go back to the range. Hopefully, I hope it will go up.
Yeah, switch back to TradingView. Yeah, we can, you know, I hope it's gonna move into one direction and at least some of us make money, but the problem is that this red zone right here, that's the range we have to deal with. It's too wide. The ceiling is at 1745, the bottom is at 1730. I mean, come on, how can we trade this shit? Just too volatile. So this massive wick shows, yeah, it's gonna go to the upside, but it's just too volatile. There's no right or wrong answer now. It's, you know, you cannot really make sense out of this massive whiplashes.
Hi, Thomas. How you doing?
I went in a
Hey,
sell.
Ali. I'm in a sell too.
I guess 1720 would be the area of interest that we're looking for.
1720.
Yeah, plus minus.
Yeah, I can deal with. I can take it 1720. Are you in a sell, Ali?
No, I'm waiting to buy at that area, to be honest.
Oh, okay.
Raul, are you scalping yourself?
What? I'm helping myself?
No, are you scalping?
Scalping? Yeah, I'm in a cell. I think that no, I almost shouted. Me too, me too. Maybe you mean because of the profit, but no. I'm in a cell. I went in.
I'm thinking to get in, but I can't.
Yeah, I think you're too late. Maybe not. But I am in from, what is it? 1742.
So Arslan Sayadas saying that Tomasz, there is an ongoing threat of recession and uncertainty in the market. Considering both, do you think gold can go below 1680? Yes. Now, usually gold reacts really positively to, you know, recessions, safe haven asset, especially during high times of inflation. It's an inflation-heading asset, but the problem is that the Fed really started throwing nukes, like 75 basis points rate hikes on the market, which is a direct competition, or gives a direct competition to gold, informs a yield on the government bonds. Now, gold doesn't bear any yield, US bonds do. So, yes, I can see further downward movement. Because the real rate is now back into the territory apparently, or it was for a few weeks, where, you know, you had 8.6 inflation, and you take away the nominal rate, and you get the real rate. Now apparently it was back to okay zone. That wasn't big loss, so your money wasn't inflating away that much, and apparently that was the zone or the sweet spot at around 3.54%, which was a competition for gold. H4 Warrior says, my technique with the C and C is to wait the H4 candle to finish, and we will know where is exactly the direction. Then we have a plan, ladies and gentlemen. I wish it could be that easy.
Yeah.
So let's have a look on Euro. Euro wants to go higher. US 30 wants to drop. What do you think? No. Oh, let's have a look on GJ. I want to see GJ. And GJ, freaking GJ is going up again. It's too much on the plate today. Yesterday was good. We had like 3-4 assets running in profit. But I think today just way too busy to focus on other than one pair. What else do you trade today?
Yeah, I'm just watching. I was too busy.
Yeah, today is Friday. It's not the best day.
I'm sitting in my car, so I'm just watching.
Is it you, Bram?
Yeah.
Look
Hello.
at you, sexy bald man. Another one.
Yeah, now my hair is too. I need to cut my hair.
I
need
just
to cut
did
my hair
today.
this weekend. Yeah, I'll cut it. I'll cut it today.
You did it today. Yeah.
So I need to cut it. It's a bit.
I like your hairstyle. It's freaking cool.
Modern.
Yeah, sexy man doesn't, you know, real man don't need hair.
Yeah. I had hair before I was married.
I had hair before. I started
but that
trading gold.
explains a lot.
My wife's sitting on my head.
That's too much information.
Okay, I won't say anything.
Anyone buying UJ?
UJ? I haven't even considered that.
Yeah, I'm buying UJ and selling gold.
Freaking hell, look at UJ. Wow.
I did say it goes down, but anyway, yeah. It's moving down more at the moment. It's a good chance to buy just now, but
what, UJ?
Yeah.
To buy now?
UJ's going up.
No, I don't
buy.
I don't. What do you? Oh, sorry, UJ. Sorry, my mistake. I was thinking of EU.
Yeah, let me show you UJ.
Yeah, UJ is definitely going up. Yeah.
That's UJ for you.
Yeah, I know.
What about US dollar and the franc? I haven't looked at that yet. That usually goes up with UJ.
That was UJ. God, that wick. It almost feels like that when I select 1 to maximum 3 pairs that I'm going to watch, and I guarantee, or it usually happens that only the 4th one, which I don't have on the watch list, has the biggest movement, and I miss it every single time. Does it happen to you ever?
I think everybody has that problem sometimes.
Always.
Yep. Everybody is watching the chart. Speechless.
Speechless. Speechless.
Oh, yeah.
That's how gold makes me feel.
You can sing, man. You can really sing.
He's got
Thank you,
voice.
Raul.
Man's
I won't
got
do
voice.
it.
How are you doing?
It's not good for your ears.
Who can sing?
You.
You start.
Hi. Oh, I use a filter.
The guys in their own business, I guess.
The cat's pair are moving quite nice.
Oh.
44 pips in profit. Let's have a look. Wow.
50 pips in profit.
You had a higher entry.
Yep.
Mother Tucker.
Sniper entry again. Could even better, but I'm happy with it.
Oh, Hans is asking, are you a scalper or a real trader? Guess we're never going to find out, buddy.
Oi.
You're a real scalper.
So if you're a scalper, you're not a real trader.
I don't really understand the question. Oh, mate, yeah. It's Friday, and why we have always the smartest is coming on Friday. Anyway. What is the P&L, guys? Who's in profit, who's in loss, what's happening? Give me some information. Talk to me.
Small profit today.
Just looking at the markets going up and down. I couldn't even enter. Too
Is
choppy.
it first NFP?
No, but usually I'm staying away during NFP. This makes me too scared.
Smart decision, I have to admit.
Yeah.
You know, if there is no direct correlation between gold, because the correlation coefficient is so small, whiplash is, you know, you saw it 100 pips like 3 times in the past 1 hour.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's impossible to make sense, or you just guess the direction and you get it right or you get it wrong. CPI is much easier to trade, or other things like rate hikes.
Have a look at the Swiss franc. Look at the candle on that.
If gold breaks 1731, next destination is 1720.
Wow, Ali Raza Kaihani made $5,000. Freaking out.
Did you see US 30 pushing down before Wall Street open?
Yeah, big push. But I missed that one, so I don't think I'm going to enter. Do you entering to US 30?
No.
Not now.
Hamas, how are you?
Brahim.
Good.
Good, brother.
How are you?
Wagwan.
Yeah, Raul.
Okay,
Hamas, how low do you think euro can go now? It's dropping. Or
It can go up
or down.
Or down, maybe sideways, but you know, maybe.
Maybe.
That's
Someone's favorite answer.
I have an entry at
you know,
1536. Selling
Euro USD hit take profit twice. So yesterday I called 2 positions, both of them hit take profit finally. At least this one. This one looked like a good entry again, but before NFP, the last thing I wanted to do is send out, you know, that you sell Euro USD, because who knows where is it going to be. Now it looks like it's going downwards, and you know, the parity level, which is $1 equal €1, is not too far away. So I think the next destination will be definitely the 1 price level. It's inevitable that, you know, it's like when 2000 came and everyone shouted like, oh, we're all going to die, the computer's going to melt, or I don't know, whatever. They shouted doomsday and nothing happened. And I think traders are pushing down to see what's going to happen when it reaches parity. But we're going to have the US joining the European Monetary Union soon if $1 equals €1.
For sure.
Well, I guess the ECB will try to stop it, but I just don't think they can.
What would be the why would they stop it?
Well, they have in the past. They don't really want parity. They don't.
Why
appear
they
to
don't want
anyway.
parity? Why
Well,
they don't want
they
parity?
don't. They don't appear to. That's all I can say.
But what is the reasoning behind? So they just don't want, like, when a kid goes to the restaurant and says, I don't want spaghetti? Or is there a logic behind it? Or they just don't like the idea of, you know, well, $1 equals €1?
Well, it's only going on historically. They have tried to prevent it in the past, but
so it's like an intervention.
But I don't think they're going to. Is the point? I don't think they're going to be able to. They haven't done
anything.
What's the
reason for the intervention if the European Central Bank steps in to stop the parity?
I don't know. Just saying.
Exports.
Yeah. So usually when a country lets depreciate its own currency, for example, Japan is the perfect example because 24 years now they deliberately letting the yen weakening with the ultra-low monetary policy. But also we could talk about Hungary, who's have you seen the forint recently? Jesus freaking Christ, like, it's ridiculous. And one of the things, it's beggar thy neighbor. It's a common strategy that even Asian countries use it. They really favor this kind of strategy to get a competitive advantage over the neighboring countries. Japan, South Korea, it's relation to or being an action or policy that produces gains from one group at an expense of another, followed by thy neighbor policies in imposing taxes, but it also relevant to currency depreciation deliberately. The weaker the currency, the cheaper the labor and the materials in that given country. So that is one reason, yes. Good answer, Brendan.
Thomas, I'll send you a chart that's for the Euro index, and it shows all the story, I guess.
Ali, what microphone do you use?
Oh, sorry, I'm told you I'm not home, and I don't have a proper microphone.
Yeah, it's a little bit fuzzy.
Yeah, I'm quite sorry about that. That's over Bluetooth.
No, it's okay. Just I cannot really understand every word.
Yeah, I was saying I'll post you the Euro index chart, and it shows the whole story for the Euro.
I've heard Euro. I understood the Euro part.
Check the group chat.
Holy fuck, the trade's completely back.
Yeah. Well, we still have US Open, so... It was inevitable.
US Open, is that, you mean the golf tournament, or do you mean US 30 still open?
The tennis. US Open.
That's in August.
Jokers.
That's the biggest dad joke delivered to you by Brandon. Raul, are you still in your gold cell?
Is it better now, Thomas?
Much better.
I mean the voice, is it better?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. I was saying I posted a chart for the Euro index on the group chat. If you can have a look at that.
I did look at it, yep.
Has Thomas disappeared?
No, I'm here, but
Yeah,
what is the question?
This time it's his internet.
What is the question? Sorry, my mic wasn't on. So yes, I had a look at the chart. What do I look at the chart?
It's the group chat. It shows the Euro index. It's just like the XY, but this is for Euro.
Yep, I got that part. What is the question?
Yeah, I know. There's no question. Actually, it shows that this is a ascending wedge on Euro, and most likely this is going to drop more and more. So the Euro is going to drop against most of the pairs, actually.
Do you know what pairs? So we talk about the index. Do you know what is the composite for the Euro index? Because it's measured against a basket of other currencies.
Yeah, this is basically the light forex Euro index. So they have their own ratios for that. I'm not really familiar with that, but most likely.
Yeah, because if it measured, so there's two important things we need to understand about indexes, currency indices. What is it measured against, and what is the weight? Who can tell me what's the composite of the Euro index? Dollar index is measured against 5 or 6 currencies. Highest weight, Euro USD, 57%. And the Euro index is measured against, I'm looking at Google now because I didn't know. So it's US dollar, British pound, Japanese yen, Swiss franc, and each of them equals 25%. And we can look at technicals, but I think it's individual preference, let's put it that way. But if you see that the currencies which against the euro is measured in the euro index are bearish, so they're getting stronger for one or the other reason. For example, if you look at the US dollar, definitely there is an interest rate differential between the euro zone and the US, because US has higher interest rate, meaning there's more demand for the US denominated government bonds, i.e. euro is going to be measured against the dollar. Is it going to be go up or down, Ali?
It's going to be weaker.
Exactly. What about the British pound?
In my opinion, or technically speaking?
I'm interested in everything. So, because, you know, we're talking about 25%. So, if it's 50-50% that you see that US dollar and British pound is bearish and Japanese yen and Swiss franc is bullish, just for the sake of example, then technical's worth nothing really, because then, you know, we have 50-50% chances. But if you look at the numbers, if all of the currencies which we measure the euro against in the euro index fundamentally bearish, technically bearish, then if we add up all of these four and then we look at the euro index, and if it gives us the same sell signal or buy signal, I think that is more meaningful.
That's true.
It's definitely interesting because I never looked at euro index, and I have to admit.
Yeah, that was one of the main reasons why I was expecting all the time euro to drop, to be honest with you, because technically it was showing that.
I like your charts, Ali, and your comments.
Thank you.
Let's have a look.
As I told you yesterday, or the day before, I guess, it also aligns with pound dollar. It shows a running flat formation corrective pattern on the weekly chart. So the 1.14 should also break on pound dollar.
Yeah. Let's have a look on gold. So we have 30 minutes. So Samuel Massey says, hello Tomasz, how your stop loss didn't hit, even gold went to 1753. I think it's because it's on your broker, gold went to 1753. And looking at my chart, it didn't even go close to 1753. Does anyone seen gold going to 1753?
Yes.
No.
Really?
On OctaFX. It went to 1753.
But OctaFX is a scam. That's a shit broker.
Yes.
That's a very shit broker, OctaFX.
Yeah, I make it about 1746.
1740, yeah, 1745.65 on Oanda. The same for 4XC. So you guys, if anyone had gold spiking up to 1753, you might want to consider changing your broker, because I have some bad news for you.
If you look at the chat, some people's went to 1764.
Oh
yeah,
my God.
I've got 1764 in another chart. So
It went till 1753 only on OctaFX.
Okay, guys, I'm posting 4XC. Seriously, sign up, because that's ridiculous. That's ridiculous.
Sometimes it's the spread, actually.
Yeah, but the thing is that the spread is, most brokers, they cannot even compete on spread because they give good spread, but then they have these, you know, slippage and these kind of issues.
Sir, Shivana has shared the hotel location in the WhatsApp group, Bowling Camp. Okay. You please proceed and go there. Okay. We will follow you. Fine.
Oh, someone is...
I don't think that's a conversation we're involved in.
No, let's listen in. He's going to a hotel with another man.
Fine, I got the location. Okay.
You got the location? Very good.
Maybe you can hear him bribe the police.
Someone said it went up to 1964. I think that's just ridiculous. It should be 1764, not 1964.
So before the US Open, we see now a kind of reversal. Let's see how it goes.
Yeah, for the meantime, I'm scalping the hell out of this volatility.
That's what I like to hear.
Until when is the 4XC promo thingy that you've been talking about? Don't they have like
Where is Andre? I need to speak to Andre because they're gonna do a 50% deposit bonus up to $1,000. Let me message that bad boy.
He tried to keep it quiet. Cost too much money.
I'm pushing him so hard that, you know, do an exclusive deal for you guys. but he's hiding in Cyprus somewhere. Paradise of the brokers.
He returns to say, oh, but it was last week, not this week. Sorry, Thomas.
Who? Who's sorry?
And Andre. He's hiding. And he's coming forward next week again. And then they said, yeah, man, that was last week. That is not for this week. Sorry, Thomas.
Wow, where do you see this? Is it a message or?
I see nothing.
Oh.
No. I'm joking. You say he's hiding. He's hiding till it ends the promotion. And then he says, that was last week, Thomas, not this week, sorry.
No, it's definitely coming. Oh, Andre is on YouTube.
Oh.
It will come for Alpha FX first, and it will be soon. See, guys, you get the 50% deposit bonus. So, anyone who's with OctaFX, I cannot advise you what to do or what not to do, but I've heard bad things. I've seen people joining our group and is a shit broker, and today, if gold price hits 1753 or 1750 on your MetaTrader, change the broker immediately.
Sí, señor.
Sí, señor. Habla español?
Le petit peu. Oh, no, that's France.
Non, parlez-vous français?
Le petit peu.
Hello.
Andrei.
Hello.
Ce faci, mafia?
Can you hear me? Hello, guys. Hi, everyone.
Hello, Andre.
Finally, the first
Hi,
time,
Andre.
Hi.
It feels obligated to join the Zoom.
Yeah. Yeah, I heard my name so many times on this live, and I was like, I need to go in, you know. I was trying to stay as low as I can here, but Thomas already said that I'm hiding, so I had to come in.
Yeah. Finally. Show us the Forex headquarters. Say hi to the CEO.
Yeah, I will do.
Are you the CEO, Andre?
Oh yeah, I wish.
Always.
I wish. No. Not the CEO, of course not.
You're playing for CEO. You don't get paid like a CEO.
Yeah, exactly. I'm just playing the role, you know.
Yeah. You have all the responsibilities, but get not paid.
Hey all, hey Thomas. Just listening in, battling COVID here, but I'm all ears. Hope you're all doing well.
Damn it, are you okay?
Hey.
Yeah, I'm surviving, Thomas. Just taking it easy, having some rest days. I don't know how the heck I got COVID, but second time round, I am fully energized though, so it's not a bad thing.
It's good. At least you're healthy and strong. Well, given the situation. I wish you a speedy recovery.
Yeah, thanks, Thomas. Always good to at least you record your videos, so it's good to go over the material. You know, once one doesn't get a chance to do it live.
I record everything, even when Sophie left her webcam on. I recorded that one too.
Okay.
Sophie left the webcam on.
Someone is awake. Huh? What did I miss?
Who is going in with so heavy lots?
What should we do about US 30?
What shall we do to you?
Drunken sailor. US 30 is now looking for a good old short.
Yeah, I think it's still gonna fall a little bit for USD.
Yep.
Yeah,
Even
it's
Euro
doing some
USD
correction.
as well.
Yeah.
What do you think? Shall we enter into a good US 30 short?
Bye.
Bye.
What? Bye.
If you want to short, you can short. Yeah.
Jesus.
I don't feel gold. Gold will go up.
Or down.
Sidewards. Or sidewards.
Oh, sidewards.
Or diagonally.
I'm sure not sure, but they could probably take out the 47 buyers, 45 buyers, sellers, then maybe finally drop at the end.
I buy it then.
Yeah, I bought at 34 and got out at 40.
Nice. I see the logic behind that.
I see the comments on YouTube. Don't short. Next one. Short US 30. Next one. Buy. It's just a mess.
The next one. Buy and
that's
sell.
the time. Yeah, that's the time when I don't enter.
MS, why were you looking at a short for US 30? I was looking for a buy. I'm waiting for a buy.
I see both potential. The market structure is really bullish, but if you... Yesterday we were long, but since it reached... let me switch to Trading View. Where is it? So...
Yeah, to me it
see?
seems like a continuation, so I was...
Yeah, but yesterday, brokey, the market structure, and you know, since yesterday it is really moving sideways, and sideways movements, I don't see any strong resistance level above really. Maybe a fib level? No, not even a fib. Maybe, oh yeah, maybe 78.2. So it could really mean that it's going to continue the bullish structure if it breaks to the above. For some reason, I don't know, it's just a gut feeling that it's going to go down. So I closed all position on US 30 this morning, and now just observing.
Sometimes you have to listen to your guts.
Yeah.
I've been observing the US 30 for the last, let's say, 1 year, and I see that it responds more to the EMAs than to fib or to any other levels. It's more, it works a lot with the EMAs on the daily, on the weekly, and even on the hourly and 4 hours. It loves bouncing between them.
I do agree with that. To be honest, US 30 is technicals works so much better. It respects technicals and market structure way better than any other pairs.
That's true.
Kind of seen the US 30 just in the middle of the range, holding from resistance above, holding support. Very difficult to ascertain what direction I think personally it'll take at this point, unless it either clears the resistance and then has a retest, or to the downside in the same scenario. That's my take on it.
Absolutely. That's why when moving sideways, ranging, it's difficult.
Now I see a picture from Positive Man GB, but that's for sure not Jimmy. I thought really that that was Jimmy.
Someone said the 10-year treasury yields are gapped up on the M15. Is that true? Did someone check it?
I don't know.
This could be a good confluence to sell with 5 lots again, gold.
Guys, I call it a day. Wish you all a good weekend.
Have a nice weekend.
Nice
Bye, Raul.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, Raul.
Bye. Bye, Rob.
So, I've heard someone mention the yields.
Yeah, that was me.
It's going up. That means US 30 should go up at the open.
Yeah.
And it's also quite bullish for news for gold, but the problem is that we don't know where the money is going to flow when the market opens.
Actually.
So
missed that long on Euro USD. We're tailed out in the last bottom there. Had a fib cluster, and possibly looking at a break of a down trend line on the Euro, which will be interesting to see if it continues on up.
Euro USD. I think the Euro USD is going to continue downwards, but again, we still have okay, 11 minutes. So I'm gonna close down the gold position, and then let's have a look on the markets. What's happening with stock? What's happening with gold? Okay, so gold position is now closed. because I have no idea which direction it's going to go now. Yields are edging higher, so that means money could flow into riskier assets, such as the stock market. A fixed income market is usually a good forecast for the markets because it's always running ahead of everything else. Euro USD, I see downward continuation. We can target the previous low. So I'm going to enter into a small Euro USD sell. So that's Euro USD. And with stock market and gold, I need to see the break of that range I showed you on TradingView, because this range could be that, you know, it's consolidating below the resistance level, the FIB 7860, so it's going to break to the upside, because usually, you know, consolidation theory means that pressure is building up when it consolidates just below the resistance and it's going to move higher. But we don't know where is the money going to flow when the market opens.
Wait, Thomas, could you check at New York Open after NFP releases on the past results?
Do you want me to do it on the spot? God, mate, it's 8 minutes.
Yeah. Wait, let me check it.
Do it. Now gold is back again into this consolidation zone, so it's a territory that's quite risky. It could come a little bit higher. I'm still bearish on gold, but you know, it's just guessing now. I don't wanna place money on guesses. Puneet Sharma says, yes, you are wrong. That is really confident start of a sentence. Yes, you are wrong because big traders will enter after supply, and big traders are bank and institutions. That is the most professional answer I've seen today. Big boy, big money, big boys. Mate, you're a joke. Yes, you are wrong. Let's see. Yields consolidated a little bit. Gold is edging higher. Stock market is really waiting. 6 minutes. Your USD is again edging a little bit higher. Stop loss is a little bit higher than on TradingView. Who's got any open positions and what?
Selling euro.
Yeah, selling euro.
Trust me, brother.
And selling GJ. Pound yen.
Pound yen.
Still holding the gold sell and UJ buy.
Wilmer says US 13 yield have a correlation. I studied it. Has you asked me a question? Very likely that US 30 will go up till 31,645. Yeah, I do agree with that. Yields are up. Therefore, stock market should go.
Yeah, just waiting for gold sell.
Four minutes. B is waiting for gold sell. Raim is in euro sell. Everything is selling today. Oh, but fucking euro USD. Why are you doing this to me?
So, Thomas, I just checked.
It was quick.
I just checked the previous results, and it was pretty alike. So after the release, it dropped. Then it came back to retest, and at New York opening, it then dropped, I think, 100, 200 pips. I'm talking about gold.
Mm-hmm. But we had already 100 pip drop.
We could probably...
So you're selling gold? Come on, euro. US 30 stuck. Seems like everyone is confused on gold. Now it's back to this consolidation, which is lethal. That's where most people get stopped out. Now it's gonna go up to close out all the sellers and then the buyers, and then, you know, it's like lining up every one of us to the wall when they shoot. So 2 minutes and volatility is going to smash the market.
Thomas, did you close your position on gold? Sorry, I was away for a minute.
Yes, I did, because gold is back to this consolidation range. I still see downward movement, so I'm tempted to jump into another sell. Maybe wait for 1 more minute.
I guess he did. He said he's gonna close his position.
Thanks.
I think your mic is off.
Certainly it is. Yes, I did close the position, but I'm looking for another sell opportunity. It came back to the range. I'm gonna wait price to come a little bit higher. And now selling. USD. So, yeah, that's the, let me show you gold. Stop loss, it's white stop loss, but that's what you have to deal with. So Euro USD, cheeky bugger.
It's reacting almost the same as it reacted last month.
Which means?
Which means it will drop at least 200 pips.
I bloody hope so.
Yeah. Before.
Or maybe not.
Puneet Sharma is waiting for expansion. What would you like to expand, Puneet Sharma?
Not very much.
Oh, hold on. US 30, US 30. Buy or sell? Buy or sell? I don't know. Okay. I think my headphone is about to die. The battery is running low. So it means I won't be able to hear you guys. Hey, Norbert! One of my mates is on my YouTube channel. Let me send him a link quickly. How do I... Shit. My headphone is about to die, the battery. Where's Norbert? Norbert. I'm thinking... Do you think I can put my headphone on charger and still listen?
No, it's dangerous.
Igen, lehet.
Who's that?
Amy, Transylvania.
Oh, yes, you speak Hungarian. Yeah, sorry. Okay,
Just a little.
Ce faci, mafia?
Köszönöm szépen, jól vagyok.
Okay, so now I'm going to try the first time. It looks like it is charging and I can still hear you. Wow.
Hello.
Hey Norby, what's up, brother?
It's all good.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome Norbert Adamko. He's one of the most talented videographer, photographer, graphic designer, and one of the nicest person on planet Earth. He's also working closely with the famous Cameron Foos, crypto guru.
Is he married?
No, he's not married. He's got a girlfriend, but...
That's the question.
Oh,
I
no,
am married.
no.
I'm just looking, you know, for single girls in the group, so they know that there is a single man that will take nice photographs.
Oh,
of
that's so sweet. Thank you.
If you have any single groups, single ladies in the... Shit, my wife walked in.
Yeah,
Yeah, Norbert is a keeper. He's the Definitely. He's a handsome guy, you know, talented.
And in a very strong relationship, so I'm kind
well,
of
you know what they say, just because you're on a diet, it doesn't mean you can't have a look at the dessert menu.
Oof.
Boom. Strong argument.
That should be your catchphrase for Alpha.
Yeah, but I'll give you another example. When you go buy shoes, do you go barefoot? No.
You take him for a ride.
I'm sure Thomas will delete this live after.
He most certainly should. Anyways, I just probably need to say hi. So
it's very nice of you. I'm so surprised when I saw your message on the YouTube chat.
You popped up in my subscription box, so the Argo likes you apparently.
It's very good.
It's good. It's very good. I like it.
Trust me, brother. It's very good. Alpha FX, best FX.
It's always. I mean, Cameron is using our hashtag, so.
Oh, yeah. This. You know, they're copying my Instagram account, and one scammer used my hashtag, but using Cameron Fuse's pictures, which is, you know, I was humbled that.
Oh, nice.
It's an achievement.
That's nice. I like that guy. Anyways, I'm gonna bounce off. Have a good trade. Make that money. And we talk soon.
Thank you so much. See you later, Norbert.
Have a good one. Bye.
See ya.
Ciao.
Oh, Yoni has his newborn baby son. God.
It's so cute.
Yeah, the new alpha.
The new alpha baby.
Yeah. In what is it? 4 months for you, Thomas?
Yeah, 4 months left.
Who's Acha?
JB man, Acha.
He's saying, I want a baby too. Why are you telling me I want a baby?
Well, I think it's quite obvious what he's trying to imply.
No comment.
Yep, I don't think you should comment on that.
Yeah.
By the way, where is Marwan? He's not showing those data.
He's on holiday.
Oh, I see.
But, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna call it a day. It's been 2 hours now, so we started the stream a little bit earlier. Euro USD is about to smash the stop loss. Gold is doing nothing, is still ranging. US 30 is ranging as well. It's Friday. I wish everyone a relaxing weekend, and see you all on Monday morning for the 8 AM briefing. That's for the team. Thank you so much, guys.
I'm so sad.
Thank
Bye,
you, Thomas.
Thomas.
Have a great
Thank you,
weekend.
Thomas.
Goodbye, everyone. Have a good
Thanks,
weekend.
Thomas.
Have a good weekend.
See you later, everybody.
Goodbye to Muslim friends.
Namaste.
Bye-bye.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. So, it was a wonderful 2 hours, but I have to go and enjoy my Friday afternoon. I'm going to open up a nice cold beer and enjoy a relaxing weekend. NFP didn't really live up to the expectation. Euro USD just about to hit stop loss. We had 2 beautiful trades, but the third one apparently it's going to hit stop loss. But it's never mind. We had some good trades this week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday was awful, but Thursday and even today managed to close in a tiny profit, modest profit. Gold, I don't really see where it's gonna head. It's ranging sideways. US 30, it has more upside potential, so if you haven't entered, I think it will go down, but I cannot really advise what to do with your own money. What I can advise, if you want to join the Alpha FX team, I still have 1 or 2 membership left, 2 membership left for 50% discount. Go to alphafx.eu I'm going to post the link into the YouTube chat. And if you want morning briefings, daily, monetary policy and macroeconomic commentary, technical analysis, you know, the whole package, you can enjoy the 50% discount at the alphafx.eu website. Thank you so much. This is the Alpha FX, and I'm out. Oh, I'm still here. Okay, let me just see. I'm gonna hang around for 1 or 2 minutes watching gold. I still have a position. Now that hits stop loss. Gold is dropping. Let me see. All right. Thank you so much, guys. See you later, Monday or Tuesday at 1 p.m. UK time. This is the Alpha FX.
Trading is all about experience. It's to feel the adrenaline running through our veins. Like all the things we do that excite us. Whatever world we come from or live in, there are people that are born to succeed. They're called special, to hustle every day for an opportunity of a lifetime. Looking for the challenge to shape our future is something that's in our DNA. A privilege just available for a few. Traders, we see things differently, paying attention to every small detail that would maybe go unnoticed by the common eye. On or by the edge is our playground, with a constant strive for glory, seeking for a new tomorrow. Do you feel special? Take back control of your investments.
Just for a second I came back because I saw... Hello 1212, can you hear me? Yeah. So I came back because in US 30 I see some more upward potential. So I don't know how many people are still watching, 226, but I see more upward movements. So US 30 is a buy. Just wanted to come back quickly. Now yields are going up. That means US stock market, it should go up as well, because the price is going down. And then go back to US 30. By the way, it's still ranging, so be careful. You have to use a little bit wider stop loss. And that's all I wanted to say. Thank you guys. See you later.